Welcome to the NovaCore NovaCloud tutorial. In this video, we will be showing you how to link documents to the relevant standards. It's very easy to link documents in NovaCore, whether you've purchased them from NovaCore or imported your own. If you want to edit the links in any way, whether that's linking, unlinking, or even shifting documents from one standard to another, it can be done very easily within the system. From the dashboard, you simply highlight the framework in which you want to edit the links. We're going to use the SRTO framework for this example. Under the Manage tab, you click View Framework, and you are now taken to your framework. We can then go to any standard on the left-hand side and click it, and it will give us an explanation of the standard itself in the center, along with all the documents that are linked to that standard. If we want to edit these links, the first thing you always want to do is under the Manage tab, click the button that says Edit Framework. By clicking this button, you will see a telltale sign, and that is a link button will appear on the right-hand side. When the button is not pressed, that link button is not there. You'll need to do this every time you log into NovaCore, because by default, the Edit Framework button is not pressed every time you log in. So once you've pressed that and the link button appears, choosing the documents that you want to link to a standard is very, very easy. All the documents that you have imported into the framework that you have chosen appear on the right-hand side. I have this filtered by all documents, but you can change to different classifications. You can even actually choose a different framework and choose the documents that you would like from an entirely different framework if you would like to cross-pollinate between two different frameworks. For this example, we're just going to have it filtered by all documents in the SRTO section. We're going to single click the document we would like to link to the standard on the right-hand side and single click the standard on the left-hand side. As you can see, both are highlighted. All we simply do next is click the link button. This will now appear next to the standard in which we have linked the document. As you can see, if we scroll through, we will now have our archive register linked there. If we've made an error and we would like to remove this from the particular standard we've linked it to, you simply highlight it in the center and choose the Unlink button at the bottom. That will not delete the document, but it will simply unlink it from the standard. If you would like to link multiple documents to multiple standards, simply hold down your Control key and select multiple documents. As you can see, they're being highlighted. While continuing to hold the Control key, simply choose your standards as well that you would like to link them to. And as you can see, it's going to highlight more than one. And then simply click the link button and it will allow you to link those selected documents to the selected standards. When it comes to linking and unlinking, you can also bulk unlink a document from its relevant standards by clicking the links column. This will show a drop-down menu and allow you to click this icon here, which means you will delete all links to which that document is linked. Be very careful when using this because it will remove all the document links that are attached to that particular document. You can even right-click on any document in the list and choose Copy All Framework Links. When you choose that option, you can actually paste the framework links onto another document. So that document will now be linked to all the same standards the document previously that you selected copy the links from has been linked to. So that's a real quick and easy way for you to have multiple documents linked to the same standards. Visit novacore.com.au or head to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/NovaCore Systems for more help and more tutorial videos.